Greetings to all. As we are celebrating the feast of Saint Ignatius of Loyola, we are reminded of Ignatian pedagogy. I firmly believe we are what we experience, and therefore it is very important to reflect upon the experiences that we've had, as this reflection enriches our learning process. And then judiciously as well as consciously think about how we are experiencing what we are experiencing, transform ourselves to lean in the direction of continual progress towards Majus. So, experience life to the fullest, reflect keenly, and grow beautifully. Happy feast.